Today it is 17th of October. We're going to trade with cats. Same build as yesterday. We have 29 milliseconds to Switzerland. We are trading against America, so we need to add another 120 milliseconds on top of that if we're not trading against Interactive Brokers dark pool. We are trading profit target 3 cents. New shares, he doesn't know yet, between $30 and $50. We have no open positions from yesterday. I'm going to hit F5, F6 to trade with C1 and C2. C1 is for contracts that are making a loss, basically. These are prices that are going down. C2 is contracts that we think are going up. Going to hit F2 to start trading. Here we are with Interactive Brokers. Unfortunately, we had a closing of another share. It's this one right here. We had it yesterday. We made 554 on this one. Let's see what it's gonna bring us today. You can see with the partial fills, and he sold them already. So we were in and out of this trade in this 9 seconds. He's trading again on JD. That's why you're seeing it jump over here. So I can move JD to today. He will not trade on a contract that he has already a position on. So it's not good to, keep your positions open more than necessary, because he will not be able to make another profit because he can't trade on that contract. You can see we had already a trade against MS. We already had a profit against MS, and he tried to trade on it again, didn't get the shares because we're just too far away from the exchange. You can see starts selling, starts buying. When you're trading with 3 cents profit target, of course, he can achieve the profit target more rapidly. So in a fewer amount of time, you can trade with more profit, with more trades, not more profit, obviously. You see a jump here through our sale price. Paper only sells if the price is higher than what your target is. So therefore, you'd always make more profit going live than you do going on paper. Here he bought and already sold 900, as you can see, because it was already there in the selling. It didn't sell all of it. It could have sold all of it if it was alive, but because it's paper, it simulates this a little bit. Alright, we are now having 4 minutes of recording, about 3 minutes of trading. I'm going to stop the trader. There we go. This is today, and as you could see, I'm not trying to update any of the profits. We still have 1, 2 positions open, 3 positions open that didn't get filled, as you can see, and the rest already closed. We'll probably not have any open positions from today. You can see C1, which where the price is actually going down, and C2 is where the price is actually going up, and he's making always more profit on C2 than on C1 because of falling share. You can't sit in as long as with the share which is going up. Alright, that's it for today. I'm going to look at my trades and adjust it accordingly.